Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit doors and windows in Revit. First, add a door on a wall. Step 1. Click Door from the Architecture tab, under Build panel. Or press DR as a shortcut. Step 2. Select door type from the Properties palette. If you need to load a new type, click the Modify/Place Door tab. And click Load Family. Double-click Doors folder. Find out the family that you want from the subfolders. If you cannot find the door family that you want, you may search on various websites from the previous course objective and load them into the project file. If you found the type you want, but you do not find the size of the door, you click Edit Type and duplicate the type and change the values. Step 3. Place the door near the wall. Use spacebar to change the direction of the door. It shows the location of the door that will be placed. Click the location that you want. Step 4. Once you place the door, you can change the direction by clicking arrows, and you can change the exact location of the door. Typically, the distance between the wall to the door is 4 inches. Step 5. If you need to change the door type, click and change the type from the Properties panel. Complete to add all doors in the floor plans for the project. Second, add a window on a wall. Step 1. Click Window from the Architecture tab, under Build panel. Or, press WN as a shortcut. Step 2. Select a window type from the Properties palette. Step 3. Adding a window is the same sequence as adding a door. Step 4. You can modify the sill height when you add a window. Complete to add all windows in the floor plans for the project. Third, add a skylight on a roof. Step 1. Click Window from the Architecture tab. Or press WN as a shortcut. Step 2. If you do not find a skylight from the Properties palette, click Load Family. Find the skylight family under the Window folder from the Revit library. Click Open. Step 3. The skylight for Eames house is 5 inches by 5 inches flat, so the type should be made by duplicating the existing one. Step 4. Open 3D view. Click the appropriate location where the skylight is supposed to be located. Open roof view. Update location of the skylight with dimensions. Step 5. You may notice that the skylight only opens the roof, not the ceilings you may make. You must make a hole to open the ceilings. Select the second floor ceiling on 3D view or a ceiling view, click Edit Type and draw the lines for the opening of the skylight location. And click the green check mark to complete. Note: if this is not working, please try the shaft tool or this. Fourth, add a door/a window on a curtain wall. Step 1. Adding a curtain wall door or window is not under the Door or Window from the Architecture tab. To switch a panel to a door or a window, you must select the panel first by pressing the Tab key. Step 2. You might find the door from the Properties palette. If the curtain wall door was not loaded, you need to load the door first and then change the Properties palette. To load the door family, click Load Family from the Insert tab. Find Door Curtain Wall Single Glass.rfa from the Doors folder. Click Open. Find Curtain Wall Awning.rfa from the Windows folder. Click Open. Find sliding underscore curtain underscore wall underscore door underscore 12253.rfa from the student exercise package to your project folder. Click Open. Step 3. Change the type from the Properties palette. Complete to update all curtain wall doors and curtain wall windows for the project. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit doors and windows in Revit. Thank you.